Hi guys, welcome to the short video about how you can save money during coronavirus on car insurance. I mean, there's not only about saving, it has some benefits. I mean, that's not real benefits, but there are some things which are handled by insurance companies a little bit more like forgiving, like some companies offer grace periods because of the coronavirus, or extended grace periods actually, if some people are not able to pay their insurance on time because of coronavirus. They extend this grace period a little bit. You have to ask your insurance, and of course the question, can I switch to a cheaper insurance company because of coronavirus? Yeah, if there would be a cheaper one, I guess you would have chosen that one anyway. So usually there's not just cheaper insurance around, but of course there's, maybe if you have time now to shop around for a better option or so, why not looking into that now? Yeah, the question is, can I get an insurance discount because I'm not driving to work every day? That's probably not going to happen. The Consumer Federation of America and the Center of Economic Justice have drafted a joint letter that was sent to the state insurance commissioner, and they ask to reduce like the premium for people who are not using their normal mileage, but actually, based on what usually happens, don't expect too much. It won't happen anything. Of course, people would think, yeah, okay, they can cancel coverage during this time. Depends a little bit on how you need your car. I mean, there's the problem, even if you don't need the car to work, you might use your car still to go for grocery shopping, or if you need medical assistance. Yeah, and anyway, most DMVs, or most states actually in the US, require that you keep your insurance if you want to keep your license plate. So it's not easy. You cannot just cancel your coverage. Yeah, there are a couple of things, but that is something which actually I did, and I was able to save a little bit of money on that. We have 4 cars in our family, and yeah, 3 are more or less for children. They are staying home, they are not going to school. So yeah, my wife has 1 car. She's needing the car still for going to work. So we have figured that 1 car must still fully work, but 2 of them we can reduce the insurance coverage definitely. Of course, that means we cannot drive those cars around on the street, but we have been able to reduce the premium amount to a little bit lower than 50%. So it means we are saving a little bit more than 50% now, but it means we cannot use these cars on the street. We kept the most important coverage, like some kind of liability insurance. I don't know if this is needed, but probably, at least the insurance told us, maybe if the car will explode and burn down some like the home, or injure somebody, or whatever. And of course, what's also important, to keep some kind of coverage if something happens to the car, if some branch of a tree is falling down on the car, or somebody is damaging a car, like vandalism, or during a hailstorm, or just car burns down because the battery inside explodes, or whatever. So this is important to keep at least the basic coverage. And yeah, again, we have been able to, or we are saving now a little bit more than 50% on the premium, and so we can keep them in the driveway. We can keep the plate. We don't have to return the plate and then reapply for a new plate, which is time and could be money as well. And we can reactivate the full coverage anytime. I don't know if it's within minutes or just within hours or maybe a day, but as far as I've been able to understand, it should be possible to reactivate for the next day, and there's no fee to reactivate that, and we will just go to the same premium and not on a higher premium. I've asked the representative of the company, by the way it's Geico, and they have reassured me that I don't have to pay extra to reactivate, and we are not going to pay a higher premium after that. But I mean, this could be different with different insurances. This is just what happened to us with Geico. So it looks, yeah, it's not a bad solution. We have one car which my wife still can use for daily work, and we have one car which is still fully covered in case of we have to do something like shopping or go to a doctor or hospital or something like that, emergency case. And two cars we really don't need at the moment, and they are saving a little bit of money for us. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions, please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.